said the dream was too far to chase, a lonely road, no saving grace. But in the silence, his spirit screamed, and every fall he still believed. The nights were long, the battle steep. He fought through doubt, denied defeat. Each star a badge of the war he'd wage, a young man bound to break the cage. This is the rise of the relentless, the ones who defy. Through the fire and the failure, they reach for the sky. With every heartbeat, the dream grows near. You carve their legacy, no room for fear. The world may doubt, but they ignite a soul unbroken, burning bright. This is the anthem, the truth unfolds. Rise of the relentless hearts of gold. The darkest nights gave birth to light. Through every storm he found his fight. He built his dreams with calloused hands, a kingdom forged from shifting sands. When no one cared, he stood alone, a fortress made of flesh and bone. With every failure, his vision grew, a beacon strong, a path anew. Als fierce fires of the bellen die kijk, als onlock in ben in bike. This is the anthem, it shrinks all the soul. Rise up all and let's us glow. Look at darkest night, still dood en light. Door het de storm, de vlam is feit. Ik deel de tumultuins, the shifting steins. Rowan claims still on, maar voor te zee de glesendom. Lo vet in vrede, je vision, but think your song has a one. This is the rise of the relentless, the ones who defy. Through the fire and the failure, they reach for the sky. With every heartbeat, the dream grows near. They carve the legacy, no room for fear. The world may doubt, but they ignite a soul unbroken, burning bright. This is the anthem, the truth unfolds. The rise of the room.